Hey, it's Lindsey. I just wanted to send you this super quick video. First of all, to say it was so great meeting with you. I really appreciated you taking the time to sit down with me and go over all of your goals. I'm super excited to work with you. I just wanted to recap some of the things that we discussed. First, remember that we want to make sure that you're getting that pre-approval ready to go. I'll be sending you a list of lenders that I know, love, and trust, and you can give them a call. And once you get that letter, be sure to send it to me because I'll put it in your file. Now, once you have your pre-approval letter, that's when the fun really starts and we'll begin looking at houses. So if you see houses you love, whether my sign's in the ground, someone else's is, or maybe it's a for sale by owner, I've got access to every property in Alachua County. So let me know how I can serve you, and I'm really looking forward to working together. And finally, I'm going to be sending you a link to just a quick video that I think you'll find a lot of value in. It's all about the 5 mistakes you want to avoid once you get your pre-approval for your mortgage. Remember, I'm here to be your resource, so email me, call me, or text me. I'm here for you and really excited to be working together.